how come honey is not consumed by babies? Okay, particularly in babies less than 2 years old. Are they considered babies?
Yeah.
I think they're still they're going on toddlers
Baby going
right now.
into toddler.
Yeah. So if you are less than 2 years old, you cannot give it to a child. Why? Because of infantile botulism. So there's this bacteria, it's Clostridium botulinum, and it can cause infantile botulism, infantile paralysis. So floppy baby, like that. So, kasi yung sa katawan nila, they still cannot process that because their immune system is still immature. So, they cannot, not unlike us, okay? Yes. Organic for cough. Wow, it's so easy, cough. I think if I close my eyes and I will say, Rowan Soto, what is the treatment for cough? And Rowan Soto will say, oregano, honey, and cinnamon. Right? Diba? So, if you have, especially if you have children in your house, you should always have oregano, honey, and cinnamon. Garcia, hi Doc, ano po ang pwede sa natural medicine for 5 to 6 years old na colds and cough? Again, my favorite, honey and cinnamon. So, 1 teaspoon na honey, and then a pinch of cinnamon, put it in warm water, and then you drink it 3 times a day. And then you can also do nasal flushing. Ayan, pwede rin ho kayong gumawa ng nasal drops. How you do nasal drops? You have distilled water, and then you put salt on it, and then gawa lang po kayo drops, and then you put it on the nose. That's it. Hello po
again,
sa inyo.
One thing to always remember, if you feel that you are experiencing a medical emergency, always can seek medical attention right away.
What about for severe cough and colds with fever? Okay, I have already tackled this several times. The best is honey and cinnamon. Okay, why honey? Honey is the only food in the entire world that doesn't spoil because it has a low water content. And what it does is it absorbs moisture. So pag may mga bacteria dyan, virus or whatever it is, it absorbs moisture. And it is very good for an anti-inflammatory, it has an anti-inflammatory property.
Always there. Eileen Bandong for tonsillitis, napakadali lang po niyan. That's ginger. You can drink it, you can gargle it, you can also gargle using baking soda. And also Epsom salts. Hello from New York! Karen Casa.
Okay, pag nilalagnat, if you have fever, the best is ampalaya leaves, okay? When I was young, I think I remember my mom was bought some ampalaya leaves there and then making me drink the ampalaya. Oh my goodness, bitter gourd. My husband doesn't like bitter gourd. Yeah, so for colds, okay, you can have nasal drops. How do you make nasal drops? In a distilled water, you put like a couple or a pinch of salt. Konti lang naman, siguro mga 10 cc ng distilled water and then a pinch of salt, sea salt, preferably sea salt. And then you mix that and then you put it in the nose, drops lang po, 2 drops per sa ilong, butas ang ilong. And then you do this 3 times a day. So usually makikita mo, and garlic. Garlic, if you have cough, if you have PTB, if you have a viral infection, garlic. How do you do garlic? Okay? Dito sa ipin nyo, sa ipin po ninyo, tapos dun sa gums, you can put one clove of garlic. Okay? And some patient, they say that the fever, the cough, and the colds, it will be gone in a matter of hours. Wow! Okay, so Miss Rosary Pearl Castillo for asthma. Okay, me, I'm asthmatic. Okay, the last time I had an asthma attack was when I was 16 years old. I'm already 40 years old right now. Wait, ayan. So mag-41 na ako. Lapit na. So, it was so severe. Nako, Diyos ko. It was so severe. It was you cannot, so I feel for you, for all of the asthmatics. So when I was young, I was taking a lot of synthetic medication. Now the problem is, nagkakaroon ako ng nginig. So I have tremors, palpitations, because of the side effect of the medication. So I shifted to eucalyptus oil. So lagi ko lang minamassage yan sa chest ko, sa back ko. Pagka nahirapan na akong huminga. And I also drink honey and cinnamon. So yun po yung pinakamagaganda sa asthma. So lagi ka lang merong minamassage dito sa chest, tsaka po sa back po ninyo. Ano ha?
So if you have mumps, of course, the best there is honey and cinnamon. For any viral infection, do not reach out for an aspirin. So if you have a child and they're having fever, do not reach out for an aspirin because there's this certain syndrome, and it's a lethal syndrome. It's called Rice syndrome, and it can affect the liver and just kill an infant or kill a child. So do not reach out for an aspirin if your child is sick. The best thing for you to do as a parent, if it's viral or whatever it is that they're having fever, what I can do for me is I give them ampalaya leaves, 1 tablespoon, 4, 5, even every hour. It's not gonna harm them. And also honey and cinnamon. That's the best thing. About allergy. Okay, so if you have allergy, again, the ones that can really help you is honey and cinnamon. So I had terrible allergies as well. And also my children. So the ones that I give them is honey and cinnamon. So it's 1 tablespoon honey, and then you just put a pinch of cinnamon in warm water, lukewarm water. I want you all to know this herbal medicine, especially for the poor. Kasi imagine mo, you're having diarrhea. Your 1-year-old is having diarrhea. Tapos, ang gamot is guava lang naman. 95% of diarrhea will stop by taking guava leaves. Ano? And wala kang pera, you don't have any money. Patay na yung anak mo, di ba? So it's really better for us to all know the herbal medicine.
This is knowledge that's been lost.
Okay, so next question. Okay.
Big adjustment.
Pampagana para sa mga bata. This is an unusual thing, you know, for you to eat, for children who wants to eat, for those parents who wants their children to eat as much. What you can do is that you have to fry, I don't know what's the English of the ipa. What's the English of ipa? I think it's the husk, the husk of the rice. What's the husk? Wheat.
The endosperm?
Yeah, the endosperm. So you fry it. It's called ipa in Tagalog. You fry it and then you put some water on it and then you drink. You give it to your children.
Sony Paran, I'm sorry we've never.
Well, we're gonna go to Dengvaxia again, okay? So this is what I have been trying to tell people, okay, who have been injured by Dengvaxia. You know, some people, they would think that it's just a hoax, no? You know, Dengvaxia did not cause that. But still, there are people who are dying, okay? So if your child has been injured by a vaccine, if you feel that they are being, injured by a vaccine,
or an inoculation,
give them mega dose vitamin C. Okay, it's not gonna hurt them. Not gonna hurt them. It will increase their immunity, and you can also add ginger or horsetail tea. Okay, so again, okay, if you have a child or someone that you know has been injured by Dengvaxia, so this will all stop. Okay, I have been telling the PITAC about this, but I don't know what's happening. So, like what I keep saying, give them mega dose vitamin C. Horsetail, if you have horsetail, and ginger, okay? So, these are some of the things that you can give. Tawa-tawa pwede din. Tawa-tawa and papaya leaves, okay? So, the main thing there is to detoxify the body. Pixie dust ipainom sa 2 years old na bata. Okay. Per FDA regulation, we should say that it's not allowed
or recommended
for pregnant women and for infants. But magnesium is okay. Magnesium is okay to take in, but we have to put that in the label. So if it's an infant, for me, for my pixie dust, just
what would you do for your children?
what I would do for, I give them Boston Sea. I give them Boston Sea and pixie dust. And then I just dissolve it in water and then just give them 1 tablespoon of that concoction. And then just let them drink it.